Hello everyone, welcome back to Science Made Simple. Today, we're diving into one of the universe's most fascinating mysteries, black holes. They're some of the strangest and most powerful objects in existence, and yet, we know surprisingly little about what actually lies inside a black hole. But, let's start with the basics. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. This powerful pull is why black holes appear completely black. Most black holes form when massive stars run out of fuel and collapse under their own gravity. As the star collapses, it compresses all of its mass into an incredibly tiny point known as a singularity, which we'll talk more about in a moment. The surface of a black hole is called the event horizon. Once anything crosses this boundary, it's impossible for it to escape. Imagine it like a cosmic point of no return. Past the event horizon, not even light can escape, which is why we can't see what's inside a black hole. So, what's inside a black hole? This is where things get really interesting, and honestly, a bit mind-bending. Inside the event horizon, space and time get twisted by gravity to such extremes that our usual understanding of physics starts to break down. At the very center of a black hole is what scientists call the singularity. This is a single point where all the black hole's mass has been compressed into infinite density. In other words, the laws of physics as we know them don't work here. Gravity becomes so strong that space and time become distorted to an unimaginable degree. But here's the thing. We don't actually know for sure what happens at the singularity. Einstein's theory of general relativity predicts it, but this theory doesn't account for quantum mechanics, which is the science of the very small. That's why black holes remain one of the biggest mysteries in modern science. Now, let's talk about something with a fun name, spaghettification. If you were to fall into a black hole, gravity would stretch you out like a piece of spaghetti. As you get closer to the black hole, the gravitational pull becomes stronger and stronger. So, if you're falling feet first, the gravity pulling on your feet would be way stronger than the gravity pulling on your head. This intense difference in gravitational force stretches you into a long, thin shape, like spaghetti. It might sound like science fiction, but spaghettification is a real effect that could happen near a black hole. This brings us to an even bigger question. Do black holes lead somewhere? Some scientists speculate that black holes might act as portals to other parts of the universe, or even to different universes altogether. This is where theories like wormholes come into play. A wormhole is a theoretical shortcut through space-time. Some theories suggest that black holes might be connected to white holes, which would theoretically spit matter out instead of pulling it in. But, for now, this is just speculation, as we've never observed a white hole. While the idea of black holes leading somewhere else in the universe sounds exciting, it remains in the realm of theory, as there's currently no evidence to support it. So, to recap, here's what we know. Black holes are incredibly dense objects with a gravitational pull so strong that nothing can escape once it crosses the event horizon. Inside, at the singularity, physics as we know it breaks down, and while we have theories, we're still in the dark about what really lies beyond that point. Now, you might be wondering, why study black holes if we can't see what's inside them? Well, black holes are a natural laboratory for studying extreme physics. By studying them, we gain insights into gravity, quantum mechanics, and the fundamental nature of the universe itself. They also give us clues that might one day help unify general relativity and quantum mechanics. Well, that's the end of this video. Black holes are one of the most intriguing and mysterious objects in our universe. While we may not know exactly what's inside them, studying black holes pushes the boundaries of our understanding and brings us closer to answering some of the biggest questions in science. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Science Made Simple for more science mysteries explained, and let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like for us to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.